Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and today I am going to share this DIY Lippan Art work. Though it is done in different method, not to mention I am sharing the easiest one. Now without wasting any more time, let's start. Before starting the Lippan Art work, let me share you how you can make a DIY clay at home. You will need wall putty and water. Now you have to mix them properly. Keep in mind you have to use less amount of water. Now use your hands to bind them together. Add more water if you require. Once it will start turning into a dough, you can wash your hands and make sure they are dry. Now you will start kneading it. While our clay is ready, now you can store this into a wet cloth. I am using wooden plank, you can also use cartoon. Now I am making a rough marking so that we can start with our work. Once I am done with my marking, I will start using the clay. I am using baking powder so that it won't stick to the surface. Using my hands, I am making a roll out of it. Now using Fevicol, I am sticking the clay on the wooden plank. Now using scale, I am going to make a small card. Doing the same thing on the other side also. Once I am done with the clay, I will start coloring it. So for this I am using a yellow orchid color. Don't worry if you miss something, you can correct it with the white color later on. And now I am going to finish it off with mirror work, and this is how it has turned out. It was looking so beautiful. So therapeutic. I would definitely try it again. Now if you like my work, consider subscribing to my channel, share with your friends. I will see you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.